Venturing into woodworking can be a fulfilling and profitable journey, especially for those who focus on creating value through affordable woodcrafts. For aspiring artisans, the challenge lies in transforming their hobby into a viable business while keeping costs low and maintaining quality. By embracing creativity and a resourceful mindset, woodworkers can produce unique pieces that resonate with consumers, meeting both artistic and commercial goals. The potential for turning everyday materials into something extraordinary not only fosters personal satisfaction, but also creates opportunities for generating income. The foundation of a successful woodcraft business starts with sourcing materials wisely. Many beginners overlook inexpensive resources available in their local communities, such as reclaimed wood or leftover scrap material from construction sites. This resourcefulness not only keeps overhead costs down, but also cultivates an eco-friendly approach to crafting. By prioritizing sustainable practices, woodworkers appeal to a growing market of environmentally conscious consumers who value products made from recycled materials. This strategy not only enhances the artistic journey, but also aligns the business with contemporary ethical consumerism. As artisans develop their skills, mastering the essential techniques of woodworking becomes increasingly important. Learning fundamental practices like measuring, cutting, and finishing empowers woodworkers to create high-quality pieces that captivate potential buyers. The journey of experimentation is vital. By trying different styles and techniques, artisans can discover their unique voice and aesthetic. This exploration enriches their portfolio and allows them to offer diverse options to customers. As confidence builds through practice, the potential for producing distinctive, marketable pieces increases significantly. Understanding market demands and trends is critical for a woodcraft business to thrive. Aspiring artisans need to invest time in researching consumer preferences, which can be accomplished by engaging with various online platforms, social media, and industry forums. Learning about trending styles, favorite materials, and unique design elements can help artisans tailor their creations to better meet customer expectations. Awareness of market trends not only guides the creative process, but also informs effective marketing strategies that resonate with target audiences. Branding is an essential element that can set a woodworker apart from the competition. Establishing a clear and compelling brand identity involves more than just having a catchy name or logo. It encompasses the overall customer experience. Artisans should craft a narrative that communicates their passion, values, and the story behind each creation. This connection can foster customer loyalty, as individuals are more likely to support brands with which they resonate on a personal level. A strong brand identity facilitates recognition, making it easier for potential customers to remember and return to the artisan's work. Effective marketing strategies play a pivotal role in expanding a woodworker's reach. Utilizing social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook allows artisans to showcase their work visually while connecting with potential customers. High-quality photographs of completed projects, behind-the-scenes glimpses into the crafting process, and engaging storytelling can captivate an audience and build an online community. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs or showcasing work in community events enhances visibility and provides valuable opportunities to interact directly with consumers. Customer feedback serves as a vital tool for informed decision-making in a woodcraft business. Engaging with customers and encouraging open communication helps artisans understand purchasing preferences and gain insights into desired aesthetic qualities. Feedback can guide future creations and improve overall product offerings, fostering customer satisfaction and loyalty. Building a supportive customer community dynamic enhances the business landscape, allowing artisans to thrive in an encouraging environment. Transitioning from hobbyist to professional requires a keen understanding of time management and financial planning. As businesses grow, artisans should establish structured budgets that account for material costs, production time, and pricing strategies. Understanding cost versus value is essential, as appropriately priced products reflect both the time and effort invested in craftsmanship. Regular tracking of expenses can provide clarity regarding profitability, helping artisans make informed decisions for future projects. Exploring online marketplaces offers an incredible opportunity to reach a broader audience. Platforms specifically designed for handmade goods can connect artisans with customers who appreciate unique creations. Establishing an online presence allows artisans to showcase their portfolios, share their brand story, and provide an easy purchasing experience. Effectively marketing through e-commerce increases visibility and can translate into steady sales over time.